Okay, so this is how to fix an issue with the Toyota 4Runner when your tailgate doesn't open. So the first thing you gotta do is reach to the tailgate assembly. So you gotta remove this panel, which is just clipped in with plastic holders. Now I've done this before and I got new plastic clips. That's why mine is coming out very easily. You may find out that your clips will break, especially if you've never done this before, because the set of clips I have right now is not the one from the factory. But you can see here the location of the clips all around the tailgate. And these clips are just generic clips from China. They do a good job. The next thing you'll find is this metal cover that you need to remove using just a Phillips head screwdriver. There's only 5 screws there. Make sure you keep the screws on side, and when you pull this metal bar out, you may find that it's still sticking, but you don't need to worry because this is actually glued in place. So you just need to pry it a little bit harder and you may find some glue around here and around the panel. As you can see, there's the tabs. So now we get access to the mechanism. Now, in my experience, what has happened in the past has been these little connectors, they don't quite, they slip out sometimes, or they get loose. So in my case, what happened is that this connector here slipped out. So I just need to go back and slot it back in. Now you find out that they usually slip because the metal tabs bend inwards. So when you do this, you will want to bend the tabs a little bit outwards, but be careful, because if you bend them outwards too much, the door won't lock when you close it. So you just have to bend it a little bit, try it, see if it works, bend it a little bit further. If you bend it too much, the door won't lock, so you then need to bend it a little bit more on the opposite direction. And that's it. So this tailgate now can open and close again like it was meant to.